Homemade computer.
Okay, wait, there's something really stupid going on here. Okay, look. Okay, let me go over it. Initialize LCD. Okay, done. Load. We're choosing the first X position 1. And we're choosing Y position 3. Well, it's actually 2 and 4 because its index starts at 0, but who really cares? Okay, anyways, then I say load 0. Then I should put a 6-1 here. 6-1. And then I say load, okay. And then put a 6-1 here. That should right into the place. And then if I say halt, wait. Let me change the bits in the data. Let me put like some weird thing here. Whoa! I don't know. I took the W, buddy. Yo, that's crazy. Oh yeah. This is what I've been waiting for my life. Okay, look at this. Yo, should we go over the theory first before I even show you the demonstration? No, let's just show the demonstration just for... Okay, look. What I'm writing in is... Okay, you see this top area? You see that top area? The very top. It's all zeros, and then the bottom has those three LED... Okay, look. Just wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Okay, look. The part of the program... Okay, this is... See those 3 LEDs on? Those 3 LEDs on? They correspond to those... Wait, it's not. They correspond to those 3 right at the top. So look. If I change the bit pattern, let me change the bit pattern to this. We'll just do this pattern. You see that pattern? I'm gonna write that into this memory location. Execute the program. Now watch, that bit pattern is gonna show up right there. Wait. Okay, 3, 2. Oh, wait. I have to let the focus properly. Okay, look. I have to get this on. No, come on, focus, you idiot. Yo, I'm sorry about this stupid camera, bro. Okay, here. Oh, here. Okay, chill. I'm sorry. Just focus, you idiot. I want it to